Here's a very interesting question to understand percent increase or decrease. So we have a table here which has columns for original value, change in value, new value, and percent change. We have given you original value for all the items, and for some items we have provided you with change in value, and for some percent change. You need to fill up all of the things in this table. So let's see how they are related. If the original value is given to us and the change is positive, new value will be original value plus the change in value, correct? So we can write the formula here. So new value is original plus change, right? That is the new value. How about percent change? Percent change is change from original, right? So it is change over original times 100. So that is how percent change is related, correct? So what you can do is, you can copy these values, pause the video, apply these rules and fill up all the values and then check with our answer. That is a good way of understanding how to do such problems. Now let's move forward. Let's start with the very first one. Original value is $100. Change in value is plus 15. That means the value increases by 15 from 100. So the new value should be 100 plus 15, right? So it is 100 plus 15, we get 115. That becomes the new value. What is the percent change? For percent change, we do change in value divided by original value times 100. Change in value is plus 15, so I'll just write 15 over 100 times 100, and that gives us 15%. So the change in value is 15%, and since it is positive, it is increase. Let's do the next one. Original value is 80, change in value is minus 20. So let's add them up. So when you add them, you get 80 minus 20, which is 60. So the new value is 60. What is the percent change? Percent change we calculate from change in value and the original value. So it is 20 with a minus sign indicating decrease divided by 80 times 100, right? So you can use calculator and figure this out. So it goes 4 times, and we know 4 is 25 times 100. So we get 25% with a negative sign. Negative sign indicates decrease, correct? So that is arrow I'm showing downwards for decrease, correct? That makes sense. So the percentage change is decreased by 25%. It's kind of a discount. Now let's do the next one. Here we are given percent increase and percent decrease. Now we need to find what change in value is. So if we are given 25% increase from original price of $125, that means we are going to pay more, right? Or the value will increase. So let's find how much is the increase. What is 10% of 125? That is what the increase is, correct? So 10% of 125, if I write in fractions, it will be multiplied by 10 over 100, right? Which is equals to 12.5. So that is the increase. And if this is the increase, then the new value should be 125 plus 12.5, correct? That is how you're going to find the new value. Let's add them up. So you get 0.5, 7, 3, 137.5 as the new value. So you can work backwards and get all the missing values. Let's do this one. Here it is decreased. That means minus. Remember that. So anyway, we'll find 15% of 46. So 46, let me write this time as times in decimal 15%, which is 0.15 equals to. Let me put a minus sign here for decrease. Okay, that helps. So you use calculator. 45 times 0.15, that gives me 6.75. So that is 6.75 with a minus sign, right? So the new value should be less 6.75 from 46. So we'll do 46 minus 6.75. What do we get? So we'll take away 46. Take away 6.75, that gives us 39.25. So that is the new value. But with this exercise, I hope now you can correlate original value, change in value, new value, and percent change perfectly, correct? So go through it once again. Try to understand the concept. And then let's move forward with more percent questions. Thank you.